Welcome students. Today we're going to learn some important vocabulary words that can help you in your IELTS exam. So, let's begin. The first word is enhance.
बढ़ाना और बेहतर बनाना.
This means to improve or make something better. When you enhance something, you make it better than it was before. Same as in this picture, girl has a simple look, but with makeup she enhanced her beauty. Imagine you're baking a cake and you want to enhance the flavor. Enhance the flavor means you want to make cake more tasty, so what would you do? You might add more vanilla extract or spices to make it more delicious. By adding these, you enhanced the flavor of your cake. Enhancing can refer to various areas such as enhancing the flavor of food, enhancing the quality of a product, enhancing the performance of a machine, enhancing the appearance of a room or space, enhancing one's skills or abilities, or enhancing the experience of an event or activity. Let's see some examples. 1. Adding spices to a dish can enhance its flavor and make it more enjoyable to eat. 2. Regular exercise can enhance your physical health. 3. A fresh coat of paint can enhance the appearance of a room and make it look more inviting. 4. Studying a foreign language can enhance your understanding of other cultures. 5. Listening to music while working can enhance your productivity and help you stay focused. Next, we have the word deteriorate. This means to become worse or decline. To deteriorate means to gradually become worse or fall apart over time. It's like when you leave a banana on the counter for too long and it starts to turn brown and mushy, that's deterioration. Just like how things can deteriorate physically, they can also deteriorate in quality or value, like friendship. It can slowly deteriorate over time due to neglect or misunderstandings. So, in short, deterioration means a gradual decline in condition, quality, or value. You can use this word in your IELTS writing or speaking by talking about how the environment is deteriorating due to climate change. You can say environmental conditions can deteriorate if we don't take action to protect them. To remember this word, think about how if you don't take care of something, it can deteriorate over time. What is that thing? Write in comment section. Let's jump to examples now. 1. If you don't take care of your car, it will deteriorate over time and eventually break down. 2. If we don't take immediate action to reduce carbon emissions, the environment will deteriorate rapidly. 3. Leaving food out in the sun for too long can cause it to deteriorate and become unsafe to eat. 4. Neglecting to brush and floss your teeth can cause them to deteriorate and lead to tooth decay and gum disease. 5. Exposure to harsh weather conditions, like rain or snow, can cause buildings to deteriorate and become damaged over time. Moving on to inevitable, this means unavoidable, or something which cannot be avoided. Imagine you see a snowball rolling down a hill and getting bigger and bigger. It's inevitable that it will eventually crash into something. Inevitable things are often things that we can't control, like growing older or the changing of the seasons. So, in short, inevitable means that something is going to happen no matter what you do, and you just have to accept it. To remember this word, think about how some events or situations may be inevitable, even if we don't want them to happen. Let's see some examples for more clarity. 1. Death is an inevitable part of life. No matter how hard we try, we cannot avoid it forever. 2. The sun rising and setting each day is an inevitable part of the natural cycle of life. 3. Aging is inevitable. As we get older, our bodies change and we cannot stop this process. 4. Gravity is an inevitable force that affects everything on Earth. We cannot escape its pull. 5. The march of technology is inevitable. We cannot stop progress, and new inventions will continue to shape our world. Next, we have mitigate, which means to make something less severe or intense. You can also say it is used to reduce the impact of something. Essentially, mitigating something involves taking actions to make it less harmful than it otherwise would be. We often use mitigation to deal with problems or challenges that we cannot completely solve. So, in short, to mitigate means to lessen the negative effects of something. It's like when you put sunscreen on your skin, you actually want to mitigate the harmful effects of the sun on your skin. Let's see some examples now. 1. Planting more trees can help mitigate the effects of climate change. 2. The company implemented new safety measures to mitigate the risk of accidents in the workplace. 3. Doctors may prescribe medication to mitigate the symptoms of illness. 4. Programmers can use various techniques to mitigate the risk of security breaches. 5. Diversifying an investment portfolio can help mitigate the risk of financial losses due to market fluctuations. Finally, we have disparity, which means a great difference or inequality. It means inequality between two or more things. It's like comparing apples to oranges, where one thing is completely different from the other and they don't match up. Similarly, if you compare the salaries of doctors and janitors, you might find a large disparity between their wages. This means that doctors earn a lot more money than janitors, and there's a big gap between their earnings. Examples of disparity are: 1. There is a significant disparity in income between CEOs and factory workers. 2. The education system needs to address the disparity in resources and opportunities for students from different backgrounds. 3. Healthcare providers should work to reduce disparities in access to medical care for people. 4. Gender disparities in pay and job opportunities need to be addressed to promote greater equality in the workplace. 5. The criminal justice system should work to eliminate disparities in punishing and ensure that all individuals are treated fairly and justly. Practice these words and drop your comments about this video. I'm waiting. Till then, bye.